Linktree is famous among all bio.link tools. Let's take a look at pricing table at first. Linktree has two plans, Pro plan and Free plan. These are the differences between Pro plan and Free plan. For example, both of plans support unlimited links, QR code, video links, but code create links is not supported in Free plan. There are some more differences if we calm down. Again, another example is premium themes. About analytics section, there are a lot of differences. I have an account with Linktree, so I want to sign in. This is your dashboard. Your links are here, appearance, settings, and pro section. Let's start with pro section. If you want to upgrade your account, here you can upgrade your account in pro section. This is your link that you should copy it and put it in your social media accounts. It's one way to copy it. The second one is QR code. The third one is sharing on your social media accounts. And the fourth way is putting it directly here. You can put it in your social media accounts directly here. In settings, you can add all of your social media accounts, usernames, profiles, and contact information. For example, there is a support banner here. You can turn it on or off. This is a tool that lets you jump quickly to that section. If I turn it on this tiny phone, at right you can see the preview. Mail list is available for pro version users. In commerce section, you can collect payments. If you are selling a course on your page or you're collecting donations, you can add your commerce here. It supports Square, PayPal, Stripe, and Shopify. If you have some adult content, you can use this sensitive material and make it on. Here you can add your social media accounts username or URLs. You can choose to put them at top of your page or at the bottom of your page. Let's start with an email, for example, info@example.com. Oh, I forgot to put a username here. I should put an @ before username. Then correct, done. I want to add YouTube too. Linktree supports most of social media accounts like Spotify, SoundCloud, Patreon, Pinterest. Let's add Pinterest too. And this is the quick jump section that I have told you. In appearance, you can change your themes, profile name, bio, button styles, button colors. For example, I want to change my username and put my username here. Then entering my bio, and the social media that we have entered look like this. It added my profile, username and biography. You can also add your profile picture using Canva or your computer photos. I want to upload it from my computer. Click on save and upload. It's finished. Good. After putting your display name and biography, you can change your theme. There are some pre-made themes here. If you want to create your own theme, you should have a pro account. In theme section, we can choose some of pre-made themes in free plan. But if you want to create your own theme, you should use a pro plan. These are some examples. You can choose and see which one is suitable for you. As I said, custom appearance is available for pro version users. Button style is available for pro version user again, and font is the same again. In the link section, you can add all of your links. As I said before. In the static section, you can see the number of your page views and the number of your page clicks. For more details analytics, you need to be a pro version user. Let's add some links here. hide it or unhide it if you want, deleting, these are the links analytics. Gate link, it's available for Pro account. Priority link and thumbnail. It's good to add a thumbnail for your link. It's available to add it from your computer or add it from Canva. I add it from my computer. It's good. Click on save, click on upload. I want to add a support link such as buy me a coffee. Changing the order of links if you want by these three dots at left. If you have sensitive content, it will appear like this at first, and if you have turned this banner on, it will look like this. By clicking on one of these links, people will be redirected to your social media accounts or your links. This is the quick jump tool. You can turn sensitive material off and let's see what happens. It doesn't show that sensitive material banner. And if you turn this banner off, it will not be shown anymore. By clicking on your profile picture, you can go to your account. Here you will see your name, email address, your plan, and again some links, appearance and settings, and you can delete your account here if you want. You can come back to your link page by clicking on your username. It has some more links such as header, music, video, store. To prevent people from being confused in your page, you can add heading for every link you enter. You can add your favorite music on your page. We should copy the Spotify URL and paste it here, adding a title for it, and it's done. I don't want this, so I delete this. Also, if you have a YouTube channel, you can add one of your videos to your page or more videos to your page. Let me add one of my videos to my page. I copied the link and paste it here, turn it on, and let's see how it will be looked like. These are some additional settings, you can choose them, such as autoplay or mute video. This is the way it will be looked like in your page. If you had a store and want to sell your physical products or digital products, you can add your store here by adding a provider such as PayPal, Stripe, Square. In the settings section, you should first add your commerce setting. It's also available to add a form link if you want. For example, to get feedback, collect emails, know your page visitors' opinion about your page.